Hey. Oh, yeah, go. Say my trap house doing numbers. I could sleep for summers, but I'm up. Yeah, I'm wide awake. Shake him up, he sleep, he late. Told these niggas stand on business. I don't need nobody on the side of me to ride with me. Cause later on I'll find out they fake. Yeah, double cup, man. Yeah, this the tech. Check the bottle. Got a script, nigga. You know it ain't fake. Yeah, I be rolling in the motherfucking trapping. If I catch my fucking op, I'ma whack him all in traffic like wow, bang, bang. Walk them down, y'all niggas know what it is. It ain't no talking now. If you ain't business, it's gonna show that you broke later. Gotta watch these niggas, man. Yeah, get my paper. I'm out the way, but I'm in the lane. Told these niggas I want their brain, then I'm gonna empty a nigga. And I ain't got you no change, not a thing. All about a dollar, yeah, I fuck a model. Man, late nights in her windpipes, and she gon' swallow. You can hear the pipes when I'm in the Chevy. Give a fuck when niggas talking, man. Yeah, you ain't ready. Meatball spaghetti, leaving on the table. Give a fuck when niggas talking. Put your all on the table. Yeah. Say my plug no speed, no Inglo. Yeah, my name like it bingo. Yeah, I'm getting chips, nigga. I'm my own casino. Give a fuck. Yeah, I was late nights like Domingo. What a motherfucking bitch who might be going home with me. Yeah, her boyfriend called in at 3. Like, babe, where you at? Yeah, I'm on the way. Give me a minute, cause I just called a flat. Where I'm from the flat. That's at the biz at 3337. Where them young niggas wet. We was raised busting gas. Like we from a third world country. Talking about a rat. We just pray we make it back. Yeah, you ain't bout nothing, you ain't get stats. Excuse me, meant to say rats. Yeah, I meant to say bitches. Yeah, blue faces, nigga, in my pocket like I can't see no colors. I don't give a fuck, man. Yeah, I ain't grew up with brothers, so why would the fuck I trust a nigga talking about a friend? I don't even trust my kin. Bitch, I'm still sipping gin like an old head. With them old heads, learn from them old heads. I just fucked the old head. I'm talking cougar. Yeah, nigga, bitch, I'm Freddy Cougar. Nigga, she say, boy, I ain't seen nothing cooler. I'm colder than the cooler when I put these jewels on. Man, I must be dumb for putting these fools on. Niggas couldn't elevate their hustle. Bitch, I get it from the surface. Bitch, I came up off my knuckles. No plan to finish, bitch, and I still flex my muscles. Gang shit, nigga. Fuck you niggas mean. Yeah. It's you West nigga till a nigga die. Bitch, you'll hit the sky if you even try. Reach for your fire, this fire. Flame. Yeah, bitch, what you thinking? Open up your brain. Yeah.